Toby Price finishes as runner-up on Fast Dakar Rally 2022 Stage 3. With heavy rain falling in and around the Artawiyah region, organizers were forced to shorten the time special on Stage 3 to 255 kilometers. Made up of extremely fast sand tracks and areas of dunes, the stage didn't present too much of a challenge in terms of navigation, and as such, times at the top were close. The top 10 finishers were separated by less than 5 minutes. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. After his 5th place result on Stage 2, Toby Price knew he would have to push right from the start to make up time on his rivals ahead. However, with time so tight, it was tough for the Australian to claw back much more than a few minutes. Maintaining good speed over the entire special, Price was able to ultimately fight his way up to second, just over 1 minute down on the eventual stage winner by the end of the day. The result moves Toby up to 14th overall, as he continues to regain the time lost on Stage 1. Toby Price said, "Today's been a good day, super fast, so you can't really make up time on anyone. We had some lines in the dunes that you could see, so I just tried to make a good clean stage and not make any big mistakes. I did have one little get off, but other than that, nothing major. The results are close, but we're going in the right direction, and we'll see what tomorrow brings." Impressing once again with both his speed and consistency, Kevin Benavides rode a solid Stage 3 to claim 8th place. As the third rider into the special, it meant that the Argentinian was soon up near the front of the pack, opening the stage along with another 3 riders. Thanks to his strong run of form, despite losing time on the difficult to navigate opening stage, Kevin now lies 8th in the provisional overall standings. Kevin Benavides said, "I set off 3rd today and so pushed right from the start. After the refueling I caught up to the guys in front and we rode together as a group of 4 in the end, which was good as the pace was quite high. Day by day I'm getting back some of the time I lost with a mistake on Stage 1, so things are going well." As the 14th rider to take to today's stage, Matthias Wagner had hoped to use it to his advantage and chase down the riders ahead. With the special shortened and times extremely close, despite his overall speed on the stage, Wagner was unable to retake as much time as he would have liked. However, making the minimum of mistakes, the 2021 FIM Cross Country Rally's world champion was able to steer his KTM 450 rally to the finish in 10th place, successfully defending his 3rd place position in the overall event standings. Matthias Wagner said, "It was a really fast stage today. The guys in front did a good job of navigating, so even though we had some lines in the wet sand, it was hard to make up that much time. I'm lying 3rd in the overall, but it's still very early, so we'll see what tomorrow brings." Suffering a technical issue yesterday, Tech 3 KTM Factory Racing's Danilo Petrucci was forced to withdraw from the stage. Returning to the team at the bivouac, the electrical problem was found and rectified, and the Italian rider was cleared to rejoin the race, although he will no longer feature in the event classification. Setting off 51st into today's Stage 3, Petrucci immediately began fighting for a top 20 position, despite the traffic he had to encounter. A small mistake towards the end of the stage cost him a couple of minutes, but Danilo was able to hold on for an impressive 22nd place. Danilo Petrucci said, "I'm really happy to be able to continue riding today after the issue I had yesterday. Yes, I've lost one stage, but it feels good to be racing again. I really enjoyed the stage today. The goal was just to get to the end, but it was very fast and really good fun. There were a lot of lines in the sand, but I still tried to read the road book and learn more in the way of my own navigation. I did make a couple of small mistakes, but it feels so good to be back on the bike. I have 9 more stages to continue learning and I'm looking forward to it." Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.